Can you really find someone's location using just their phone number on Google Maps? The answer is yes, but only in legal and ethical ways. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 safe and effective methods that work step by step for situations like locating your lost phone, staying connected with family, or managing your own devices. This is a full guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly how it's done the right way. Let's get started. So guys, today I'm going to show you a simple and legal way to share someone's location using Google Maps. But remember, you need their permission to do this. Step 1. Take your friend or family member's phone with their consent. Open Google Maps and press on the profile icon at the top. Then select Location Sharing and hit on New Share and select Messages. Press Share again. Now, send the location link to your own phone number. Send it. Click or copy the link. Go to Google Chrome and paste the link on search bar. Google Maps will open, and you'll be able to see their live location, as long as they are sharing it with you. This is useful for staying connected with loved ones or helping someone when they're lost. Now let's move to the second method, using reverse phone lookup. This is useful when you receive a call from an unknown number and want to know who it is, for safety or personal reasons. Here's how to do it step by step. Open your web browser and search reverse phone lookup. Go to this website. On the home page, you'll see a search bar. Type the phone number you want to look up. To see the details, you may need to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, on the home page, you'll see a search bar. Type the phone number you want to look up. Truecaller will show you the name and sometimes the general location, like city or country, of the person who owns that number, if it's available in their database. This method works only if the number is publicly listed or used on platforms where Truecaller has access. It doesn't show exact addresses, and it's not meant for spying, just basic identification for your safety. Please remember, always use this for legal and respectful purposes. Never try to misuse this info. It's meant to protect yourself from spam, scam calls, or unknown numbers. If this method helped you, leave a comment. If both methods help you, like the video and share with your one best friend. And yeah, subscribe for more useful tech tips.